Taikyoku Shogi lit. Ultimate chess is the largest known variant of shōgi. The game was created around the mid-16th century and is based on earlier large board shōgi games. Before the rediscovery of Taikyoku Shogi in 1997, Taikyoku was believed to be the largest playable chess variant ever. It has not been shown that Taikyoku Shogi was ever widely played. There are only 2 sets of restored Taikyoku Shogi pieces, and one of them is held at Osaka University of Commerce. One game may be played over several long sessions and require each player to make over 1,000 moves. Because the game was found only recently after centuries of obscurity, it is difficult to say exactly what all the rules were. Several documents describing the game have been found, however, there are differences between them. Many of the pieces appear in other shōgi variants, but their moves may be different. The board, and likewise the pieces, were made much smaller, making archaeological finds difficult to decipher. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.